Dallas County's next district attorney read a prepared statement to the media today.
A group of attorneys had accused Judge Amber Givens of judicial misconduct. Sanctions against her were cleared last week. Today she talked about it. Fox 4's Sean Rabb joining us now with what she had to say. Sean.
Yeah, and as you say, she read a prepared statement but did not interact with journalists about all the allegations against her being dismissed. Some of those going back as far as 2021. Last year, Judge Givens received a reprimand and admonition from the State Commission on Judicial Conduct for letting her court coordinator conduct a Zoom bond hearing as if she were the judge in 2021, but also for exceeding authority and courtroom conduct. Givens appealed the findings, and last week, a special 3-judge panel said no to all those allegations, finding the State Judicial Commission had not proven even one of those allegations against Givens.
I trusted that if the allegations were finally examined, if witnesses were required to testify under oath, and if an independent court faithfully applied the law, the truth would prevail. And it did. I trusted the truth enough to insist that it be tested.
Well, the cloud of accusations over Givens was not, she said, simply an exercise in legal proceedings, but something that impacted every facet of her life, which is why, she says, she appealed the findings of wrongdoing.
For 6 years, I fought for the opportunity to have the truth tested in court. Because justice is not about winning. It's not about choosing sides. And it certainly isn't about protecting institutions from scrutiny. Justice is about having the courage to follow the evidence wherever it leads, and the integrity to accept the truth wherever it's found.
That 3-judge panel was appointed by the Chief Justice of the Texas Supreme Court, and the justices were from Beaumont, Waco, and Austin, none from the immediate North Texas area. Without a Republican opponent, Amber Givens will become the next Dallas County District Attorney. November is the midterm elections.
All right, Sean Rabb in our newsroom, thank you.
Okay.